going to be an anaconda hunter. My name's Sailor, and their nickname is the water boa. They're the second largest snake in the world. I'm going to come and take you into this hole. We're here because they live in the rainforest. They eat jaguars, piranhas, capybaras, and aquatic animals such as fish, and they also eat mammals. They're not always on the ground. They can sometimes be in the trees. Hey guys, I noticed why there's no anacondas here. It's not a real rainforest. But I want to recap about the anacondas. They're babies. When they have eggs, they grow inside their mom. And also they're dark olive brown or green. They have yellow spots. So they eat capybaras, jaguars, canines, fish, mammals, and piranhas, and also aquatic animals such as that. I don't want to disappoint you guys, but here is what a real anaconda looks like. Hey guys, look how cool this is. Pretty big, right? That is so cool. Look at it. It just looks so sneaky. By the way, this is Sailor. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.